Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got another stunning Chanel for you. So we've got another classic Chanel. This is the Chanel classic single flap, quilted in this caviar quilted leather, and it is in the size Maxi, so the biggest size. And I think the size Maxi is just really cool. It's just like ultimate classic Chanel. It's really gorgeous, and I love the gold hardware as well with this caviar leather. I think it's a really glam combination. So we've got that classic Chanel leather and chain plaited strap. So it's adjustable, you can have it as a double strap or you just pull it through, and then you've got a nice long crossbody strap as well. And then of course we've got one flat pocket along the back, and all that quilting you can see lines up really nicely. And then we have the flap closure with the CC turn lock, and inside we've got loads and loads of nice space in there. It's a really lovely bag for space, and it's leather all throughout. We've got one zipped pocket, and then we've got one flat pocket as well. The date code is just down in this bottom corner. You can see the little white sticker just down in that bottom corner. So it begins with 13. So it is from 2009/2010. The condition of it, we've called the exterior and the interior good. You can tell that it has had a pre-loved life. You can see that it's just got a little bit of bending to the shape, so a little bit of creasing in those bottom corners I think is where it's most noticeable, and a little bit along that back of the bag as well. So you can see when you open it that kind of causes a little bit of creasing, so you can see that's what has caused that bit of mark in there, but actually the leather is in a really nice condition. There is some wear to the corners, but this caviar leather looks so glam, and it's nice and sturdy as well, and it kind of suits a little bit of wear, so I think it still looks really nice, and you can still see it's still got a really nice gloss to it as well. And then the interior is good again. You can just tell it has had a pre-loved life. This interior leather has got a little bit crinkled, and there's very slight marking on it, and there's just a little bit of bending here. So that is why we've called the interior condition good. The hardware we've called excellent. There is no wear to the hardware at all. You can see how lovely and shiny that gold tone is on the chain, and all this hardware actually has been replaced by Chanel repairs recently. So you can see that's why it's got that plastic seal on the CC turn lock, and we've got the plastic seal just there as well, and that's why it's all in such a perfect condition. So that's why we've called that hardware excellent. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have the Chanel dust bag, there you go, and then we also have the Chanel box as well, which is always nice, especially if you're getting it for a gift for someone or even a gift for yourself. I think it's nice when it comes to the box as well. If you'd like to know a few more exact details on it, if you'd like the link to shop, or if you'd like exact measurements, go to the link in the description below. You'll find all those things on our website, and that link should hopefully take you straight to this Maxi classic flap on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, that does mean that this is sold. But if you have been looking out for one of these, or you've seen it on our YouTube and you've fallen in love with it but you've missed out on it this time, let us know. We will get you on our request list, and then as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know. We can hopefully get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. Exact measurements are on the website. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm size UK 10 and 5'4", and with that longer strap, I can pop it crossbody, and because it is like a well-used leather, it has had a pre-loved life, which you can tell, but it just means it sits really nice and comfortably, and it wears really nicely as well. I think I would probably use this as a work bag. You can fit a laptop in it, so if you're looking for a new work bag, a very glammy work bag, this would be perfect. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, sign up to our newsletter while you're on there, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. Also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page. So if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags, we'd love to see what we've got for us. So have a look at that page, and don't forget, while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We have new gorgeous bags to show you pretty much every day. So hit that alert button, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous arm candy.